Hello there. So you want to know how to use Stegsolve to find hidden text in images? Perfect. I'm going to show you how to do that. By the way, this concept of steganography is something that extends images or goes beyond images. People hide text in all sorts of file formats, audio files, movies, etc. But today, let's find hidden text in images using Stegsolve. Stegsolve is a Java program which is open source and runs on the desktop. So I'm going to download it from GitHub. Copy the link. I use wget to download it. Okay, it's now on my desktop. Also, let me show you the image that we're going to be using. And I found this image from Capture the Flag created by Deadface. And here's the image. Again, it's an image of a ransomware demand. And there's you see text, but there's more text that the one that you can see in plain sight. So we're going to be using Stegsolve to find it. Okay, I run the command with java.jar. So one requirement to run this tool, or the only requirement, is to have the Java runtime. So I open the image, and again you see the same that you saw before, the text on these places and nothing else. But now I can start using different views of the image. So changing the red, the greens, the blues, and even the position of the pixels. So you see here at the bottom, there's something that wasn't visible before. So I'll keep iterating until I see that text perhaps in a better shape. And this is, to me, the clearest. I'm going to zoom in. There you go. Hidden text, which is in binary format. So ones and zeros. So now I can, of course, copy or transcribe those numbers manually, but I'm going to use an OCR, an optical character recognition tool. So I'll create a screenshot, save it. Okay, done. Now you can see the screenshot with the numbers. And I can use the OCR Tesseract on Linux. But now I used it before, and the results weren't impressive. So okay, you see it should be only ones and zero, but we have 9s, 8s, 6s. Also, it's not just 8 bits, it's longer, and the euro sign is a complete mess. So I can use another OCR. This one is online. Do OCR. So I again select the screenshot with the ones and zeros. Yeah, language doesn't really matter because the text is just numbers. But I'm going to use English. And this looks better. So now zeros and ones. There are some sixes, but still I can use it. So I'm going to copy this, remove the previous results, create new ones, and copy. Okay, so I need to make a few fixes. First, I'm going to remove or replace all the 6 with zeros, because that's what I think it is. So using beam, replace 6 with zeros. Okay, are there any other numbers? There are no zeros and ones. Okay, yeah, that seems to be it. Oh no, wait, there's an 8 there. So there's only one 8, so I'm going to replace it manually. And you see the second line is a bit longer than the first and the third. So at some place, maybe here. Okay, now we have a complete list of, I think, 42 8-bit numbers. Okay, I'm going to save it. And now I can use, well, many different tools, or I can write something in Python, or let me introduce you to yet another tool called Cyberchief. And this Cyberchief has a recipe to convert from binary to text. So here I search for binary. I use the space as a delimiter between letters, and yeah, 8-bit. Here's the translation. So from binary to text, we have the word, "This ransomware brought to you by Mirvial," and that's what is concealed in the image. So thanks to Stegsolve, we found the text, then we capture a screenshot, we use an OCR to convert it from image to text, and finally Cyberchef rather, to convert the text. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.